Every trader's worst nightmare is dead zones. Places where you go long, you get stopped out. You short, you get stopped out. I know how that feels. So it happened so many times, especially in 2022. It has happened a lot. But I've got an indicator that fixes that. It's a known indicator. Is the squeeze momentum indicator. Show you how to set it up. It's free. It's very simple. But before we start, I gotta tell you that you should watch the video until the end and slap the like button, or I'll slap you, and subscribe ASAP. If you go in the link in the description down below, you can start your Forex MTMO challenge, where you can get 90% of the profits from up to $200,000. You can trade with other people's money without risking your own. There's a link for that in the description down below, and I'll tell you about MEXC if you watch the video until the end. So let's talk about the indicator. The way you access it is you go on TradingView, and I would advise you to use the daily chart for this indicator. Click on indicators, click on community scripts, squeeze momentum indicator. Here it is. You want to click. It's by LAZYBEAR, just like so. If you don't have it, just type in LAZYBEAR or squeeze momentum indicator. You'll find it. The way you work with it, because it might be difficult. What do you mean? I buy here, sell here. What do I do? Well, the thing you want to look for is, the first thing you want to do actually is determine the trend, because you lose money if you use this indicator without understanding the trend, checking a higher time frame like the weekly, daily, monthly, to understand what is going on with the asset you're trading. This strategy, by the way, works the same way for crypto stocks pretty much. Sometimes it's easier in some markets for crypto, for example, for women's, for stocks after March 2020, to filter out, that we are in a bull trend, so you would only be looking for longs. The place where you long at is these slides right here. You can see there's dots, but as soon as the dots start, the bigger ones right here, you take a long position. Same goes for a short position. If we are in a downtrend, the first is there. So you would disregard this one because that's basically a dead zone. The first you would take a position in is the long one. And people would tell you to sell at dark places. I would rather sell at the first situation where you have a dead space. So you would be taking this all the way. The first situation where you do not have a dot. Same goes here. You long here, take profit here. So it's not on the first dark, it's right here. So basically, the way this will look like is you would probably long here. Let me just click on long. You'd probably long here. The stop loss would probably be at the swing low, which is right here. And you would take profits pretty much here for a 50% profit, 56% profit. And here you would long. It's easy to make money, by the way, in these markets, but it works on trading markets. You would have it at the swing low. Let me just use the long. You would have it at the swing low, which is right here, targeting this candle would be your close, which is a 61% win. I know this seems too good to be true. A short example would be here we pretty much have a triple top, very strong resistance around the 60K area. So if you took a short here to here, or here to here, you would also make a good amount of money, maybe 20-30%, depending on where you manage to buy net. But you gotta hold the trades for a while. This trade took a while. It took a while. Look at this. These trades take a while. But if you understand these patterns correctly, they can be very, very profitable. This is basically how you use it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And since you stayed until the end, here is the MEXC Futures Newbie event. You can sign up using my link in the description down below. There's 12 days left. The first current users will get a bunch of bonuses, 25 bucks, 500 bucks, and some discounts. Check them out in the link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.